Alright, hello. I'm Jake. It's after school. So Fabio's not here, and I decided our video wasn't long enough. So I'm gonna, redo some parts, but Fabio will still be in the video, so I guess it's okay. Alright, so I'm gonna describe physical weathering, chemical weathering, and then later I'll describe erosion and abrasion. Alright, so physical weathering is when materials are broken up by wind, water, or whatever, but they stay the same stuff. So here with the cement, where the cracks are and the cement is, it's not the normal color it used to be because it got eroded away. Well, not eroded, it got weathered away by the wind or the rain, whatever, And also over here I found rocks, but my mom said not to move the rocks because apparently she cares about the garden, even though it was complete not a garden. So that rock is nice and soft. It could have been in a river or something. I don't know. It could have been in a river. It could have been, you could, if you wanted to, you could just, squirt it with water and make your rocks round, I guess. That's what I thought. And then that rock's not so round. I guess if you squirted that one with water after 500 million years, maybe it'll be totally round again. And that's cool. Alright, and now I'm going to describe chemical weathering, so I'm going to go run over here. And over there, well, over here I guess now, there's it's like a fireplace, and it's made of iron, and it's all rusty. You see? And when iron oxidizes, it gets that rusty color, and that's an example of chemical weathering, which is when things change, their composition, or what they're made of, or how they're made up. So yeah, that's physical and chemical weathering. Alright, it's Jake again. I'm going to try erosion and deposition. Fabio's still not here. It's after school, same day, It's not really his fault at all. I just decided the video wasn't long enough, and I'm just going to make it longer. And, alright, so erosion is when objects get eroded away, and that's my beautiful lake right there. And that's my bucket, which is going to help describe deposition and stuff. And I already tried this about 15 times, and I keep messing up, so whatever. And, alright, so stuff gets eroded away by water, wind, beaches get eroded away. This lake, I'm gonna erode it away right now. And then stuff gets deposited from the moving water, wind, into areas like sandbanks, sides of rivers, wherever really, they just happen to land. And the bucket's gonna be, just shook a little there, spaz attack. And I'm gonna have the bucket, it's gonna deposit into the bucket basically, I don't know. Alright, so these are my hurricane type forces. You probably can't hear me anymore, or whatever. And see all the dirt getting eroded away over there. The hurricane is really hitting hard right now, and right into that bucket. And I just messed up that video game, but that was pretty good. So I'm just gonna go ahead with the erosion part. Alright, so if you saw before, it eroded into the bucket, and that's all the sand. Here, the dirt stuff. That's kind of nasty, but whatever. And it deposited into that stuff because of the moving water. Well, in this case, the moving water could have been rain, wind, whatever it really felt like at the time. And so that's deposition. And while it's in there too, while it's moving, rocks also abrade and stuff, which is when they rub against each other, cause scratches, and change what the rock actually looks like, which helps the rocks get, flat, roundish, but then you get cut grooves into them. That stops it from being round, I guess. So I just totally messed up that sentence. But whatever, I'm finished. Probably still gonna be in the video, like I said. He'll probably do the recap part that we did on Saturday in the rain. Alright, but whatever. Go.
We'll review on what we recap what we explained. First, the cracks are physical weathering. Also, the rock walked away, and then chemical weathering, that rusted thing. Yeah, there you go. Also, for the and also erosion and deposition. When big squirts of mud, the soil, it erodes it, and then it is deposited somewhere else. In this case, it just stays there. There's not enough water. And that's about it. It's starting to rain and it's really cold. Goodbye, America.